everyone, today we're going to be going over the basics of JavaScript. In this first part, we're going to learn what JavaScript is and what we can use it for. Then in part 2, we'll learn how to run some code. JavaScript is one of the largest coding languages in the world, used by over 16.4 million web developers. Now, one reason JavaScript is so popular is because it can be used in both front-end and back-end development. What does this mean? Well, anything on a website that can be seen by users is considered front-end. This includes design, pictures, links, and other interactive content. Back-end development is everything that allows the website to function behind the scenes. So what exactly can we use JavaScript for? Well, we can use it to update the physical features of a website, we can create web and mobile apps, create servers, develop games, and much more. Basically, JavaScript allows us to use the millions of websites, apps, and games we use every day. Now that we've learned what JavaScript is, let's learn how to run a line of code. To do this, we'll need a code editor. This just allows us to write and edit our code. I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code, but there are many out there such as Sublime Text, Atom, and Notepad++. Just download whichever program you would like. Thank you all for tuning in to part 1 of Intro to JavaScript. If you would like to learn how to run some code, be sure to follow along for part 2.